Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting topic for you, the top 5 most used programming languages in the world. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting your coding journey, understanding the popularity of these languages can give you valuable insights into the tech world. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. 1. JavaScript. Kicking off our list is JavaScript, the Swiss Army knife of web development. If you're into creating dynamic and interactive websites, JavaScript is your go-to language. It's the backbone behind those cool animations, responsive buttons, and live updates you see on your favorite sites. 2. HTML and CSS. Next up, we have a dynamic duo, HTML and CSS. Although technically not programming languages, these two are the building blocks of every website you visit. HTML structures the content, while CSS adds the style and aesthetics. They're like the architects and interior designers working together to create visually stunning and user-friendly websites. 3. Python. Now, let's talk about Python, the friendly language that reads like plain English. Python is known for its simplicity and versatility, making it a favorite among developers for tasks ranging from web development to data analysis. It's the language behind many AI and machine learning applications, making it a hot choice in the tech industry. 4. SQL. Time to shift gears a bit and talk about SQL, or structured query language. If you're interested in handling databases, SQL is your ticket. It's the language used to manage and query databases, allowing you to retrieve, update, and manipulate data efficiently. From small-scale projects to large-scale enterprises, SQL is the backbone of data management. 5. TypeScript. Last but not least, we have TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript. TypeScript brings static typing to the JavaScript world, adding an extra layer of error checking during development. It's gaining popularity rapidly, especially in larger projects where maintaining code integrity is crucial. If you're looking to enhance your JavaScript projects with strong typing, TypeScript is the way to go. And there you have it, the top 5 most used programming languages in the world. Whether you're a web developer, data analyst, or aspiring AI engineer, these languages offer a diverse set of tools to bring your ideas to life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech content, and let us know in the comments which program